You don't have a discipline problem, you have a starting problem. And it was designed that way. You wait to feel motivated, but motivation doesn't create action. Action creates motivation. Think about it. You never felt like going to the gym. But after 10 minutes, you felt unstoppable. That wasn't motivation. That was momentum. And momentum is free. So why do you quit after 3 days? Reason 1. Your goals are too big, and your brain hates big. Your brain sees a 2-hour task and says, nope, let's scroll instead. Fix it with the 2-minute rule. Don't say, I will study. Say, I will open the book. Your brain can't say no to 2 minutes. But once you start, you won't stop. Reason 2. You try to be perfect. You miss Monday, you quit the whole week. Winners don't have perfect streaks. They have the never miss twice rule. You can miss one day. Life happens. But you never, ever miss 2 days in a row. Reason 3. And this is the biggest scam. You rely on willpower. Willpower is like phone battery. By 6 p.m., it's dead. You can't build a life on a dead battery. You don't need more willpower, you need less friction. Make good habits easy. Want to read in the morning? Put the book on your pillow. Put your phone in another room. Want to quit scrolling? Make it hard. Delete the app, log out, grayscale your phone. So here's the system that works in USA for 7 days straight. I call it 3-2-1. 3 every night. Write only 3 tasks that actually move your life. Not 10, just 3. 2, start each task for just 2 minutes. That's your only goal. 1, never miss twice. Tattoo this on your brain. That's it. 3 tasks, 2 minutes start. 1 rule. Even your laziest day can do this. Day 1 and 2 will feel easy. You'll feel like a superhuman. Day 3 is where 90% quit. You'll say, I'm tired today, I'll start tomorrow. That's the test. If you do 2 minutes on day 3, you beat 90% of people. By day 7, you won't need motivation. You'll have proof that you can trust yourself again. Confidence is not I will do it. Confidence is I have proof I did it before. So comment your 3 tasks for tomorrow right now. I'll check every comment. Type 3-2-1 if you're done with the motivation scam. You were never lazy. You were just using motivation when you needed a system.